Hello and welcome to my course, Machine Learning with Core ML in iOS 11. My name is Paul DiFilippi and I am a professional iOS engineer. I have been in the IT field for as long as I can remember. In the last few years I have shifted into iOS development and am now working at BMW. I am part of an agile team that is developing cutting-edge software used by millions around the world. Here is a link to my LinkedIn profile if you would like to connect or if you have any questions. The course overview. This development course is broken up into 5 sections. In section 1, which is titled Introduction and Designing the UI, you will see a powerful presentation on how machine learning is changing the world we live in. This is an overarching view that will help you decide whether or not machine learning is a career path you would like to seriously explore. We will also get into fleshing out our UI for our final product and start off the project writing our custom classes. We'll be using Xcode, a Mac computer, and Swift as the main components of this course. In Section 2, exploring AV Foundation, AV Capture Session, and instantiating a tap gesture recognizer, we'll begin by putting the technology in place that will allow us to capture photos through iOS. The app that we will be building using machine learning will visually show the end user a description of what has been snapped in the photo. We will learn about error handling and which iOS technologies require a do-catch block, which prevents crashing while an app is running on an Apple device. We're going to get into optionals, which is one of the reasons that Swift has become as popular a programming language as any to learn in 2018. Next up is Section 3. In Section 3, training and converting a ML model to a Core ML model. We will talk about training a Core ML model and get into using the Vision framework. We will also cover all that is necessary to include a Core ML model in our Xcode project. We will also get into what it takes to convert a trained model into the .ml model format. Next is Section 4, importing Python ML libraries in Spyder and configuring Caffey. In this section, we will go through installing the Anaconda IDE and the Spyder console. These are both needed to create unique trained models or convert already trained models that are not in the proper format to the .ml model file type. We will also go through how we edit the OpenCV file in Python. In the last section, Section 5, converting a Scikit-Learn model, Core ML, and using it in Xcode. We are going to cover conversion through Core ML Tools. Core ML Tools is a Python package for creating, examining, and testing models in the .ml model format. Core ML Tools gives you access to models that have been created using Keras, Caffey, Scikit-Learn, Libsum, and XGBoost, to name a few. Through Core ML Tools, we convert these model types, which are among the most popular in the machine learning community, and include them in our personal and professional products that we can release on the Apple App Store. This ability can put you in high demand in the current landscape of software development. There is also a bonus section where we dive deeper into some of the topics. This section will help clarify some of the coding practices covered. It is meant to help out beginners, but can be a helpful review for even the most seasoned developer.